Want to import contacts from Gmail to Android? I will teach you how to quickly import all of your contacts at once. Stay with me and you will learn some useful tips. So let's get started. So guys, firstly open settings on your device and use the search tab to access the backup settings quicker. Simply in the search tab type and backup and click on the first thing that you see. Tap again backup data, enable these two features, tap confirm and click manage backup, and this is pretty much it. So in the backup details, just right there in this section you will see what will be backed up, and as you can see the call history and SMS messages will be backed up, and this means that the contacts will be backed up too. So just simply tap backup now and the backup will start just right now. You can also use the Contacts app to select all of the contacts, click share and share them through any messenger and download them whenever you want. So after a short while, all your Gmail contacts will be available on your device. So now you can easily manage them through the Contacts app. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.